Hello everyone, and we have another DDA diamond with us, Ashutosh Sharma, who has cleared the NDA examination and he will be joining National Defence Academy, Khadagwasla for 153rd course. So we welcome Ashutosh. Hello Ashutosh.
Thank you, sir.
Ashutosh, first tell something about yourself.
Sir, my name is Ashutosh Sharma. I am from Hasanpur district, Amroha in UP, and my father is an advocate. My mother is a homemaker. And recently, I got my recommendation from 24 SSB Bangalore for NDA 153 course and got All India rank 128.
Wow. And what motivated you to join the Indian Army Armed Forces? What is the motivation behind it?
Sir,
Choosing this career path?
Sir, there is no specific one motivation factor. Like the first one is the leadership qualities, which Indian Army provides us to show on different levels. The respect of our soldiers and from different kind of a people. The next one is the risky life, the chance to get more, the chance to get to get more exposure,
Adventurous life.
adventures life,
Adventurous.
and to get different kind, to get a chance to meet different kind of
Yeah.
personalities.
Yeah.
So all these things motivates.
There is a lot of exposure in Indian Army.
Yes, sir.
Then what brought you to Doon Defence Academy? How did you came to know when you started your preparation? You must have got some advices from the people,
Yes, sir.
some kind of idea. So how did you came to know about Doon Defence Academy that you should join this academy for your preparation
Yes.
to clear the NDA examination?
So, sir, from my class 10th, I was very clear that I will give the NDA examination. I told my father, so he asked from different kind of people, like from my teachers, from other seniors. So they advised him to go to Doon Defence Academy. And before getting enrollment here, we came here for registration. Coming here, we the faculties, the classroom, the surroundings, the infrastructure, all these things we observe, and then finally we are convinced with the beauty of Doon Defence Academy. And so after that, I took the 4 months offline coaching for NDA.
Your parents must be proud that they made a right decision at that time sending you to Doon Defence Academy.
Yes, sir.
And how much credit do you give for this course designed here, like faculty,
Yes, sir.
mentorship, SSB preparation? You must have got everything under the umbrella of Doon Defence Academy. How much credit do you give?
So talking about the NDA examination, so there's a lot of difference between NDA examination and board examination.
Yeah.
So after coming here, I increased my thinking process to solve the questions in very seconds. I learned a lot of tricks. I learned a lot of things which I can't learn at my home. So coming here, all credit goes to my teachers and especially the weekly test provided here and the mock test before my written examination. These things helped me to clear my NDA written examination 4 times continuously. So this thing helped me. And talking about my SSB, so sir, the faculty are very good. They are all experienced. The all assessors belong to SSB boards, NSB boards, AFSB boards. And the mock interview provided here, the multiple types of practice of TATs and PPTT and the GTO ground are also superb here. So all these things are good, and I recommend everyone to come here.
And how important are these weekly tests, mock tests? They give you a fair idea about the examination, the pattern, the pressure you feel during the examination, all. You get some kind of experience with those?
Yes, sir. Sir, the first thing when we gave our exam, so we share with friends our score. So this thing motivates us. And then when the next day we came to our classes, so the faculties came and they solved our queries. And these things motivates us. And the major thing which I learned to choose the right kind of questions, because in examination hall this is very important that how much time you should spend on a specific kind of question. If you are not able to select them, so it is very difficult to you to clear the exam. So this thing I learned from weekly tests, sir.
Okay, Ashutosh, and there is one interesting question. There is a long going debate about online and offline coaching.
Yes, sir.
So, for the upcoming aspirants, what will you suggest? What is better, in your opinion? है ना? It is a
It is my 2 years journey, and I met a lot of students. So the mostly things I learned that the candidates who are getting their recommendation, most of them belong to offline coaching.
offline coaching, in-campus
Yes,
coaching.
sir, in campus coaching, because sir, this give us a fair idea, and these things gave us a fair kind of a competition area. Because when our The classmate, he is doing more struggle, so these things motivates us to get into the more things like in different kind of studies. So I think online offline coaching we should carry it.
Yeah. And when will you be reporting to the National Defence Academy, Khadakwasla?
In the last week of December, sir.
In the last, and your training will start from 1st January.
Yes, sir.
So how are you spending your days? Like, this is a very great time for you to enjoy and all.
So this time I am focusing over my physical stamina,
Okay.
like by running, push-ups, pull-ups, and chin-ups. All these things I am doing, sir.
And you have received your cash award,
Yes, sir.
so you can enjoy more now.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this was Ashutosh. It was great hearing him, and he gave lot of insights about online, offline coaching. So this is for today. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Kindly subscribe D-Day YouTube channel and don't forget to press bell icon.